Hi guys, this is Ethan from Photoshop Tutorials and today I'm going to turn this image into this image. So without wasting time, let's start on the tutorial. First, what I will do, it is saturation less. The saturation is very less, so I will increase the saturation as I always do. I will go to the curves, increase the bright area and increase the dark areas by watching the picture. So now the sharpness is good. So what I will do, I'll go to use saturation and I will select the eyes color because I want to give the depth, so I will play with the eyes and I will increase it. Now I will increase the lightness too, like this one. This is here and go little bit here. Okay, now the eyes are looking beautiful. I need to paint on the eyes just, so I will hold the brush. I will select the brush, not hold the brush. I'm sorry, my mind is just gone so bad. I will select the black color and I will keep painting like this. The colors are removed, so I will invert the colors. As you can see, Control and I are inverting the colors and they are looking bit change. I will do same here. It's a very minor changes. Okay, the changes are done now. What I will do, I will go to the modes and select the curves. I'll increase the values to give the depth in the eyes. I think this is enough. I'll just paint on it with the black color selected like this. Control I, invert the mask, and same here again with white color. The eyes are looking a little bit dramatic now. Okay, this area of color, the lens has color, but the other side, the whitish areas are white, but in this picture the whitish area is blue, not white. So I will make it white. I will hold Control, I will press B by selecting the brush. I will press the D to reset the colors. I will press the X to get the white color. Now I will be super accurate. You don't have to be super accurate, just be careful while painting. I'll be super accurate while painting. Okay, it's done. We will take care of the edges later, but for now I just need to pick the color. So I'm making a rough. So I think the rough is done, so I can start working on it. First I will decrease the value to around 40, I guess, and fill to the 60. Now I will double click on it. I will play on underlying layers, so I will hold the Alt and break the layer. Keep going where you see the edges are, you can see they are matching, they are blending with each other. And now for the bright side, we'll take here and break the slider, going. There you go. It's totally blank. Now it's blank. As you can see, it's giving a beautiful color, and now we can change it like this. Delete from here and delete from here. The perfect white color in the eyes. Can you see the difference from here to here? It's really amazing. I will select the brush and keep painting. Now I don't have to be so super accurate because the brush is already smart enough. I hate this. Okay, it's near about that. As you can see, we turn this image into this image, but for now and for this tutorial I need to do more things like skin retouching. So I will do quick skin retouching. I will press the B to select the brush, make the flow around 8 or 7ish. I'll select the color from here. Make sure you select the color from this area. Okay, and now I will start painting. I will make the brush not so hard, I will make it soft. Just be careful while painting on the areas. You have to select the color of that area. You cannot select the other area color on the other side because it will affect the whole skin texture. For now, this is good. I'll select this area and I'm going to paint here. I'll select this area and I'm going to paint here. The flow is at 7, so the Photoshop is doing its best to keep the detail preserved. It's doing its super best job. As you can see, it's doing a lot better. I will select the color here and I will start painting. I'll now go to the other side of the cheek because it's not that of color. I'll just paint here. Keep painting from here to keep painting from here to keep painting from here. I know it's looking very bad, but trust me, after making some selections, curves and playing with the underlying layers, it will look mind-blowing. So for doing that, I will double click on the image. I will break the underlying layer. As you can see, now it will start looking more beautiful. Bring back little, yes. Now I will bring back the other details from the bright slider, you can call it bright slider, from left to right. Now I want the skin back, but not so much, so I will go with this one. Look at this. I will just decrease the opacity around 80. Okay. Can you see it? A massive change in the skin. Okay, we will go with 70. Keep the details more accurate. This is a quick tip for making the skin very good. For more detail, I will go to the hue saturation again. Take that master hue or some kind of tool like this. Okay. The area is selected, so I will go with some kind of like colorish. Not so colorish. I will go with this one. A little bit red and a little bit dark. I will hold the control and press the I to invert the color. Press the B for brush and make the flow to the 100. Now I will paint on the skin except the subject face because I don't want to affect the face of the subject. So I will just not paint on the face of the subject, but on her hairs. Now it's giving this depth to this image. I will go to the hue saturation again. I will take this tool and change this color to green. I think I will go with the green one. I like the green color. Now it's also affecting the other leaves on the ground. I don't want to do this, so I will hold the control and press the I to invert the colors. Press the B for the brush again, and I will paint here, just here, and there you go. I think I have done a lot. Now it's time to do some serious changing in the image. I will hold Control Alt Shift and press E to make a new image. This image got all the effects down there. Like if I select this image and this image, it got all the effects. I will hold the control and press the I to make a duplicate layer of this image. Go to the filter, blur and iris blur. Now what? Iris blur because I want to do many changes in it. Like this. I will make it a little bit bigger, more bigger, and down. In the center of eyes, I will hold the control and take this pointer. Hold the Alt and take this pointer here. This is at accurate position and this should be here. Now I will increase the blur value from 15 to around 25. A massive change. So you can see it's a massive change. I will hit OK. Okay, the blur is done. As you can see from the edges, it starts looking more beautiful. I will hold the control, press the I for other effect, which is called Smart Sharpening. because I want to give that depth to the image, I will go to the smart sharpening. Here you can see the values are set already because I make a tutorial on this image, but I will change few values here. I will go with the 36 and the radius should be at 2.4. I know it's looking pretty high, but it's not. The smart sharpness is applied on whole image and I don't want to do it. I just want to apply it on a specific area, so I will hold the Alt and press the mask button to create an inverted mask. I will press the B for the brush, it's already selected. I will make the flow to the 10, not to the 10, I think on 100 it should be good. I'll make the brush a little bit softer and start painting with white color. As you can see, I just need to focus on the area of the face. The subject should be on focus and the other things should be out of focus. Okay, the subject is in focus, but I don't think so it's in focus so much. It's not affecting too much area, so I will go with the extra sharpening tool. This is sharpen tool and I will sharpen the eyes, just the eyes. Maybe the eyebrows also, but for now, okay, let's go with the eyebrows too. I do double click and the hair too, and the hair too. Just the double. And as you can see, this is the before and this is the after. It's a great depth field. You can add more blur in it for making the image look more beautiful. But for now and for sake of this tutorial, this image is looking a way too better than the original one, because if you look at the original one, no skin, no eyes color, no sharpening, no nothing. But if you see the full image, the edited version, you can see that you can directly upload it on the internet and it's good to go. You don't have to care about the color schemes and anything else or play with lookups. It's amazing. And if you want to see more tutorials like this, you can just press on the subscribe button of my channel and join the community of me. And please like this video. I'm just doing this for you guys. Thank you. Meet you in the next one. Bye. And if you have a suggestion, and I already told you, if you want me to edit your picture, just send it to me. Just tell me in the comment section that you want me to edit your pictures. Just tell me and I will edit your pictures for free and make a tutorial on it too.